Hi guys, this is Miss George. I'm just going to go over how to pull reports real quick. So when you log into the NWEA site, you're going to come to this page, probably going to look like this. You're going to click on View Reports, and then you're going to click on Map Growth Reports. Hopefully it doesn't take as long. So there are a ton of reports on this page. What's really nice is if you go to report level, you can choose a specific level. Most of you, you're going to just choose class level every time. If you are a SPED teacher or if you have a caseload, you might choose student level. That's going to help you more with your arts. But we're going to start with class level. One thing you're going to learn about today with your coaches is the learning continuum. We can't pull this report for you super easy. It's tons and tons of pages. So I'm just going to show you how to pull this report. So you click on Learning Continuum, and then you can pick instructors. So I'm going to pick Miss Beck because she's one of my reading teachers. It has to be by class period, and you can see your SPED students are separate. She has her pre-AP class. For now, I'm just going to choose her third period. And then which test. I'm going to choose reading, and then I'm going to click on View Report. Sorry, I'm zoomed in because I was doing something. What comes up is all of these different categories for learning. So in reading, we have three main categories. We have our vocabulary, genres, and author's purpose. If I want to go to vocabulary and look at the kids with their context clues, I can click on this. And then down here on the side, it's going to go by RIT levels. And you can see it's got the students' names here and what RIT level. Remember, though, this is only my third period. That's the only stinky part about this report is you can only go by class periods. But it's going to tell you where these kids are at, what level they're at, what they're able to do. So like this student should be able to locate information in the dictionary. They should be able to use context in dictionary or thesaurus entries. And then you go up to the next level and they're able to do a little bit more. So this is a great report if you're looking for like specific ways to differentiate, and if you want to know what levels all your kids are at, you can print, but like I said, I wouldn't print this report. I think it's just easier to go in and pull it up. Now, if I want to go back to reports and pull another one, I just click Map Growth Reports and I come back to the same page. I'm going to do class level again. And another report that we really like to use is the class breakdown by RIT. So if I click on that, this is what comes up. I'm going to pick on instructor, sorry about my phone, pick Miss Beck again, and again it's going to be by class. And you can create a PDF if you want to save it, or you can view the report online. I usually do the PDF, but that's just me because I like to save them on my computer in a folder so that I don't have to keep coming in and pulling the report. So here's the report. You can see you've got math and language arts, and you can see where all of your kids are, and this is great for small groups and differentiation. So that's the basics of pulling reports, and if you need help, please reach out to your coach, to me, anybody.